Damn. I can't believe I got grounded for burning my mom's computer with a flamethrower. What am I going to do now? I got it. I'm going to take down the jet Brite car wash logo. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Let's go to jet Brite car wash. Alright. I made it to jet Brite car wash. Now I'm going to take down the jet Brite car wash logo. Yes. I took down the jet Brite car wash logo. Yes. I took down the jet Brite car wash logo. Yes. I took down the jet Brite car wash logo. Now to time to get the fuck out of here before I get caught.
Althea, Andrea. Get your ass downstairs now. We need to have a word with you. Althea, Andrea. We just got off the phone with the jet Brite car wash manager. He told us that you took down the jet Brite car wash logo. Is this true?
Wow. You guys are going to be so pissed when I tell you. But, yes. I took down the jet Brite car wash logo.
Althea, Andrea. We can't fucking believe you took down the jet Brite car wash logo. You know you can get arrested for doing that.
I strongly agree with your father. You are grounded for 3 months. Go to your room now.
Why does this keep happening to me?